In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to professional account on Instagram, okay? The first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram application by clicking on it like this. Then, click on your profile picture. This is located at the right side here at the bottom. Then, click on the hamburger sign. Then, scroll down. Just scroll down until you see this place for account type and tools. Now, click on switch to professional account. Then, click continue. Click continue. Click continue. Then, click continue. Then describe your Instagram account. Maybe you are a comedian, you are an artist, you are a blogger. Choose anything here that matches your personality. Okay, I can say I'm a digital creator. Then click done. Just choose creator, then click next. Okay, then click OK. Then click next. Then click continue. Then click on this X sign here. With this, you'll be able to set up your account to professional mode. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.